Today, we are at the city of Palampur, a city where lot of infrastructure construction is under progress. At one such construction site, Mohit, who is working on site, seems to be confused today. Let's ask him what is the problem. Hey Mohit, how are you doing, man? You are looking very disappointed. Is there any problem?
Hi Mekalink, I am working on my project, but I am new here and therefore I am very confused. I know modulus of elasticity for steel is 2 into 10 to the power 5 megapascal for all grades of steel. But how should I calculate modulus of elasticity of concrete on the first place?
Oh mate, that's a very serious confusion. Let me clear the confusion for you. Concept behind the modulus of elasticity of concrete and steel is same. We apply Hooke's law for both materials, but for concrete it is little difficult to find the exact value of modulus of elasticity as compared to steel, because concrete is brittle material and steel is ductile. Let's go step by step. I told you that concrete is brittle material. If you look this stress-strain diagram of concrete, it shows that concrete is not only non-elastic but also non-linear. That's why after unloading, it doesn't follow the same path and concrete is unable to achieve its initial state. You can see here the gap after unloading, and therefore it is not possible to apply Hooke's law directly. But take a look over here, Mohit. The initial portion of curve is linear, and here we can consider Hooke's law. So, according to Hooke's law, modulus of elasticity EC would be stress upon strain. Now the problem in this case of concrete is that there are two types of strain. First, short-term elastic strain, and second, long-term elastic strain. Short-term elastic strain are due to instantaneous load applied on concrete, and long-term strain are due to effect of creep and shrinkage. Because of this situation, modulus of elasticity due to short-term elastic strain is called short-term modulus of elasticity EC, and due to long-term strain it is called effective modulus of elasticity denoted by ECE. Now let's understand how to calculate their values. There are three ways to do that for short-term modulus of elasticity. First, draw tangent at origin of this curve like this. We call it initial tangent modulus, that is ITM. Secondly, you can choose specified stress level and draw a tangent at this level. We call it tangent modulus or TM. Finally, we can also connect this stress level to origin like this. We call it secant modulus or SM. I think Mohit, you are concerned that it would be very difficult and time consuming task. Well, you are right. And hence, IS code has simplified things for us. Based on theory, IS 456-2000 in clause 6.2.3.1 gives us an empirical formula which is EC equals to 5000 under root FCK. Here FCK is compressive strength of concrete. This formula is very easy to apply. What is the grade of concrete you are using, Mohit?
It is M30.
Okay, so FCK value will be 30 megapascal. Hence, modulus of elasticity will be 5000 under root 30, which comes to be 27.39 into 10 to the power 3 megapascal. Isn't it easy, Mohit?
हाँ, सब चमक तो रहा है.
What do you mean by that, Mohit?
It's a word I use when I understand a concept which looked very difficult initially.
Okay. I hope अब से तुम्हें हर सब्जेक्ट के हर कॉन्सेप्ट चमके. चलो, without wasting any more time, let's move forward and define effective modulus of elasticity. Formula over here is ECE equals to EC upon 1 plus theta, where theta is creep coefficient. Value of creep coefficient is given in IS 456 like this. Help me once more, Mohit. Tell me when this concrete was casted.
It was casted 28 days ago.
Okay, so effective modulus of elasticity for this concrete according to 28 days will be EC equal to 27.39 into 10 to the power 3 upon 1 plus 1.6, which comes to be 10.53 into 10 to the power 3 megapascal.
Oh ho ho, thank you Meganlink.
You are welcome, Mohit. By the way, you can visit our website mekanlink.com to access our various courses on various subjects.
Wow sir, wow. Thank you so much for helping me.
Thank you very much, Mohit.